Now, a meeting to select the next chief of the CBI was attended by the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, and leader of the opposition, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's house on Monday, with the powerful panel shortlisting 3 candidates. According to sources, NDTV's learned that the Chief Justice, N.V. Ramana, in the meeting cited the Prakash Singh judgment, laid out a condition that officers with less than 6 months tenure in service should not be considered for the director of the CBI post, with the leader of opposition, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, also supporting this rule. This got the majority in the 3-member committee, and this rule, in fact, eliminated the preferred choices of the government. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Arvind for more on this story. So, Arvind, the Chief Justice's insistence that this rule be followed, it is a precedent and it is a rule that is followed. This eliminated Rakesh Asthana and YC Modi, who were in the government's top choices?
Gargi, the high-powered committee headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also 2 other members, leader of opposition Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, and also the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, met yesterday for the selection of the next CBI director. So the earlier CBI director, R.K. Shukla, retired on February 3rd, post which the additional director, Praveen Sinha, has been given the additional charge. So in yesterday's meeting, the panel was supposed to consider somewhere around 130 names. In fact, the topmost 4 batches 1984 to 1987 were taken into consideration. Almost 109 serving IPS officers were taken for consideration. At around 1 p.m., what we are being told is that at around 1 p.m., the committee members were provided with 10 shortlisted names out of this 109. And again, before the meeting, it was again further narrowed down to 6 names. So that at the meeting, the committee members actually considered only 6 names for the CBI top post. What we are being told by our sources is that during the meeting, the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, who is also a member of the committee, he cited the Supreme Court judgment in the Prakash Singh case. In that particular case, Supreme Court has clearly said that for all the police chief posts, only the officers with more than 6 months service in tenure in service should be considered. So when CJ insisted that this particular law should be followed for the selection of CBI director, that's when all the 1984 batch officers, in fact, if you could see, the 1984 is the senior most batch when it comes to the selection of CBI director. Almost senior officers like Rakesh Asthana, who was the former special director in CBI, currently who is the Director General of BSF, and also YC Modi, who is the Director General of NIA, who heads the NIA. Both these officers were ruled out only because of this particular rule. When CJ insisted that this particular 6 months tenure should be strictly followed for the selection of CBI director also, that's when both these officers were ruled out from the contention. So actually what we are being told is that government preferred these 2 officers. Government wanted one among these 2 officers to be appointed as the CBI director. But when CJ insisted that this particular Prakash Singh judgment should also be implemented for the CBI director, and also Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary also supporting the CJ's contention, CJ's argument, that's when they got the majority, and government's preferred choices were eliminated when this 6 months rule was invoked in this particular selection. This is for the first time ever for the selection of CBI director, such a 6 months rule is being implemented. Even during the earlier times also, this 6 months rules was never implemented. This is the first time such a rule was invoked and being implemented. Coming to the next, what we are being told is that at the end of the meeting, all the 3 members unanimously, they finalized 3 names that included Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, who is the former Maharashtra DGP and who is the current DGP CISF, and also 2 other officers, Kumar Rajesh Chandra, and also the 3rd officer, VSK Kaumudi. So what we are being told is that Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, who is the former Maharashtra DGP, is the front runner of this post, and today the DOPT will be issuing the formal orders appointing Subodh Kumar Jaiswal as the next CBI director. Gargi?